Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and I'm going to be making some instant pancake mix that only requires water to use it. I did use mine up quite a while ago, and I need to make some more to replenish it. And I'm going to bring you along with me. So this pancake mix only requires, a few ingredients here: flour, sugar, instant milk powder, which is what I got right here, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. That's it. So it calls for 6 cups of flour, all right, got that done. Like I said, it doesn't require that many ingredients, so it doesn't take very long to make it. A half a cup of sugar, that made a lot of noise. 3/4 of a cup of milk powder, and mine's been sitting for a little while, so I'm going to break this up. Oh yeah. And it's humid too, so. So I don't have a 3/4 cup measuring cup, so I'm just going to use the 1/4 cup 3 times. One tablespoon of baking soda. Two tablespoons of baking powder. So 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And 1.5 teaspoons of salt. All right, I'm going to clean this up and then we'll get it mixed together. All right, so you just want to mix this very, very thoroughly so that when you go to scoop out to make any kind of pancakes or waffles, it is all incorporated and you're getting everything that you need to make your product. So yeah, you may get overkill, or you might end up doing overkill as far as mixing it, but that's just what you got to do. It really doesn't take that long. Yeah, you're going to make a mess, but that's okay. You just clean it up. All right, I'm going to finish stirring this, and then I'm going to get it into the container that I have. I just labeled it. I like to use the masking tape because I can just remove it, clean it up. I just labeled it Pancake Waffle Mix, the date, the month, and the year, and equal parts water and mix. And if you want to make waffles, I usually don't use as much water. You kind of go for the feel of it when you're making waffles, because you want your waffle batter to be a little bit thicker than your pancake batter, unless you like thick pancakes. If you like the thick pancakes, then don't add as much water. Just do it to the consistency that you like as far as making your pancake or your waffle mix. Okay, so that is it for the instant pancake mix. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not. I did get this recipe from another YouTuber. Her name is Heather with Kneady Homestead, or her channel's called Kneady Homesteader. And if you want to get the measurements for this, I advise that you go to her channel. It is her recipe. So I'm not going to put the measurements in the description box below, even though I did mention it. If you want to just slow it down and write it down, then so be it. You can do it that way. But like I said, I did get this from her. I've used it for, oh my gosh, 6-7 years. And the only time that I turn to store-bought pancake mix is if I don't have it made and I haven't had a chance to make it. Otherwise, this is what we use. I use it for pancakes and I use it for waffles. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.